know that more than 90% of all forms of life that have ever existed on Earth are extinct? Well, this has all happened from mass extinction. Mass extinction is a very horrible thing and is never good, but can start the process of new species to be born. An example of this is that dinosaurs came into existence and were first known to be around after the Permian-Triassic Extinction. There are many things that can cause mass extinction, and we rarely ever know what the real cause is, but the two most common ones are the crashing of meteorites and asteroids on Earth, and the other is the eruption of volcanoes. The result of these horrible events occurring is that they release waste into the atmosphere and darken the skies for really long periods of time. With this happening, all forms of life lack sunlight and warmth and quickly freeze to death. Another result is toxins being distributed into the air along with heat-trapping gases. Once the dust has settled that is created by space rocks and volcanoes, runaway global warming is put into action. The largest mass extinction that has happened so far is the Permian-Triassic Extinction. This horrible event occurred around 250 million years ago. This extinction alone killed over 90% of all the species alive then, making most all of them perish. The cause of this mass extinction is predicted to be from an asteroid, but there hasn't been a crater found yet to know for sure. The other cause that is less likely was the flooding of a volcano, which could have happened after the asteroid hit. One other mass extinction was the Cretaceous Extinction. This extinction is the most known and most studied by scientists from the Cretaceous and Paleogene periods. This happened about 65 million years ago, which actually isn't too long ago. During this period, the dinosaurs were all killed. Another thing that occurred during this period was the fact that many mammal species started to expand. The cause of this could have been either an asteroid that hit off Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula or global warming created by a volcano eruption at Deccan Flats. An additional mass extinction that happened was the Ordovician-Silurian Extinction. This took place about 440 million years ago. The cause of this was huge glaciations locking up lots of the world's water as ice and prompting sea levels to drop suddenly. As a result, many marine organisms became extinct. Another mass extinction that occurred in the past is the Devonian Extinction. This event took place 360 million years ago. The cause of this horrible affair was predicted to be the same as the Ordovician Extinction. The result of the impact this extinction had on Earth was that 70% of all marine animals over a period of 20 million years were all completely wiped out. The last mass extinction that I'm going to talk to you about today is called the Triassic-Jurassic Extinction. This awful event arose 200 million years ago. The causes of this mass extinction were believed to be massive floods of lava erupting from the Central Atlantic magmatic province, or an asteroid impact on Earth, although we haven't discovered a crater yet to prove it was caused by one. Now you may be thinking, what if another mass extinction occurs? Well, there actually is one that is starting up right now. Scientists believe this is the fastest mass extinction to take place in Earth's history. The cause scientists suspect for this mass extinction is us humans doing things that hurt our environment. By 2100, things we do to our Earth, such as polluting it, land clearing, and overfishing, will wipe out more than half of Earth's marine and land species to extinction. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned a lot about mass extinction and will try to conserve the amount of pollution you produce, along with watching out for land clearing and overfishing to protect our environment so another mass extinction doesn't occur.